Are you having problems hiring and keeping good employees post-COVID epidemic? If so, join the Women Who Inspire and Network, also known as WIN, workshop on hiring. Who you gonna call? Date is Saturday, June 4th, 2022. Time is 10 till 11:30 a.m. Location is the Library Foundation Conference Room at the Downtown Library on St. Clair Avenue. Workshop host Lillian Cooke will help you answer these questions. 1. Who do I hire? 2. Where do I find the people I want to hire? 3. How do I keep the people I just hired? And 4. If they don't work out, how do I fire them? Again, that's a workshop on hiring on Saturday, June 4th from 10 till 11:30 a.m. at the Downtown Library on St. Clair Avenue.